I think the most important thing is that we sell a relationship and an experience. It's not just about a product. My name is Jose Simonelli. I am a senior domain architect for the public sector. I go and facilitate a customer's experience going into the open hybrid cloud, utilizing all of our different cloud products.
My name is Bernal. I'm a senior solution architect as well as the DoD cloud architect for the DoD public sector team. I help drive customers towards adopting Red Hat's cloud products and getting them to engage our consulting team to help them build a viable solution that meets their requirements.
My name's Washburn. I'm a senior cloud domain architect at Red Hat. If you were to sum up my position in a nutshell, it's to help our government customers succeed with getting to the cloud, whether it's with a greenfield deployment or essentially integrating our services and solutions with something that's already in place in their data center. It's come out to be more of a partnership where we help them and then they give us plenty of feedback to say, well, we would like the product to do X, Y, and Z. It would make the product work better, be easier to use if it did so on and so on. And we work with them, within the appropriate parties within Red Hat, to make that stuff happen. That really is the mentality of open source. And this customer is basically living that.
Usually we show them the light and then they get very excited and they want to start moving everything to it. So we'll go in and we'll do a proof of concept or a pilot and they're like, okay, now how do we put this into production? I need to do this 2 months ago. We're there to empower them to be able to take advantage of any resource available to them, regardless if it's our products or not. We are there to augment their personnel and be able to become trusted advisors to be able to make some of the real tough decisions out there.
The major end goal is really to help them realize their visions. They told us what they want to achieve and we go out there and we help them achieve it. What's interesting about how Red Hat cloud deployments tend to work is because they end up touching almost every part of a customer's data center infrastructure. We've actually helped ferret out problems, key problems in their infrastructure, whether it was like software configuration or even plain out like hardware, storage or network design. If you want to take your workloads and that are running in the hundreds, and if you want to scale them out into the thousands or tens of thousands, you need to have the right network and storage and commodity x86 servers and running in your data center in order to make that happen. Red Hat Public Sector Consulting helps our government customers get to the cloud in the best way for them.
They get to have an expert on site with them, sitting right next to them and teaching them, mentoring them on how to deploy Red Hat technology and help them meet the requirements that they have to serve the public, serve their customer base, which is pretty much everyone.